Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the popular yet basic Nigerian eba. What you need for this eba is gari, which is made from cassava. You need a mixing bowl. You need a bottle or a kettle of water. You could either use the pot too as well as that for this. And you need a turning stick. So it's very basic, it's very simple, yet for beginners it might look like a tedious task, and you really want it to be soft and not hard as a rock. So let's get started. Connect your kettle of water to a power outlet like so. And bring it to a rolling boil. Once it has come to this rolling boil, pour the water into your mixing bowl. The amount of water you use is basically dependent on the amount of eba you want to make. So for me, I usually just eyeball it, and you can add more water as you go or more gari as you go. So the recipe is very forgiving. So for my own technique, I spread gari all around in a circular motion and I top it some more with water to make sure that it is well covered. That way it's not hard in consistency. And then I leave everything to rest and it will be easier for me to turn. After 5 minutes, this is what you have. The gari has soaked in all the water and now it will be very easy for you to turn around. Use a turning stick and turn like this. Mix it all together just like how I'm doing, a bit by bit, and you can rotate the bowl as you go. So you see how I'm doing that? You just go gently into the mixed gari and then you turn it around like so. Mix it very well till you're certain that you've gotten every part of it mixed. Don't worry about the look that you have right now. It may look like it's very rough, but we have a trick to that. Now, onto that trick. Let me show you what I do. In another separate bowl, I add in water and then I use something like that. I don't know what it's called, but I have it in my kitchen, so I use that. Or you could use your hand and scrape off the gari on top of the mixing bowl. And then you take the water, pour it onto the turning stick and use it to smoothen the mixed eba around like so. At the end of the day, what you'll be getting is something very smooth. You can serve your eba at this moment like this. However, I'll go one more extra step to make it more presentable. Take a clean fringe and place the eba on top of it. Then you use the clean fringe to smoothen it some more, like so. There's another method that we used back at home when I was growing up, but I found out that that is even more tedious because sometimes the eba is still very hot and by the time you use your hand it's you get injured or it's not really safe. So I prefer to use the clean fringe, or you could use a paper bag as well. So I'm going to show you that old method we use back at home. So I wash my hand or clean my hand thoroughly, and then I knead the eba like so. You see what I'm talking about? At first it's not smooth, but there's a remedy for that as well. I just take the water and rub it on the plates, and then that will smoothen it up. But again, hey, this is a lot of work compared to when I used the clean flange. Pair this up with your favorite soup, egusi, afang soup, which by the way is on my channel if you want to see how I make that as well. But it goes with a lot of Nigerian soup, so enjoy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You see how it is? Very soft, very tender. It looks neat, it looks fresh, it looks smooth, and that's just how you make your basic eba. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye bye.